Start wherever. Start with whichever tools you have, resources you have, apps you have, whichever phone you have, laptop you have, reading books you have, reading materials, equipments you have. Start with what you have. Start with where you are. Do not think, you know what, I need an iPhone. I need this Apple laptop. I need this awesome tripod that flashes this bright light for my videos. Do not think you need all these high-tech quality things in order to start. The moment you think to yourself you need those things, the moment you won't want to start. When you start, you are making progress on your career path. You are putting in the reps. You are persevering. You are being persistent. You are being determined. For that, life will reward you for your commitment, for showing up. And as you start progressing and going along course, better resources comes your way. You are attracting mentors to you. You are attracting customers, clients, businesses. You are building your brand awareness for what you stand for what you represent, for who you are. You are telling people, this is who I am, this is what I stand for, this is what I represent, this is what I'm teaching, educating, this is what I'm doing. No matter how silly, stupid it might look like to you or seem like to you, you just need to start where you are, start with what you have, and start now. We all start somewhere. Start somewhere.